Hi guys, it's Austin here from Skylight Junction, and today not only do I have one package to unbox, but I also have two. But this one I'm going to be doing in a separate video because I'm going to be doing a video for this one. Sorry. So this engine is Toby from Hornby. I've been wanting a Hornby Toby for a little while, and I found him up on eBay from eBayer from Utah. Interesting enough. So I saw Toby and I decided to get it. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing, shall we? So yeah, the Hornby Toby. I believe this Toby is from the same seller that I bought Emily from. And yeah, I am aware that you guys think I bought Emily by mistake because she's not accurate. Well, to be honest, I seriously do not care how inaccurate Emily is. I love it a lot. It's yeah. Emily was also another character I've wanted for a while. I already know the Bachman one's accurate, but the Hornby one, yeah, I was kind of after that one the most. Put you away. Now, onto here. Oh, he's in here. Okay, that's unusual. Yep, he is in here. Alright. Look at that. There he is. Move some stuff out of the way, excuse me. The Hornby Toby. There he is. Toby the Tram engine. Alright, let's get him out. Apparently he is brand new, so like Emily. We'll see. Come here, Toby. Alright. He's got some instructions. I think Emily had them too. Alright, so this is operation for Bill and Ben and Toby, so this should be interesting. Okay, so that's how you remove Toby's body. Apparently it's gonna be a bit tricky, I must say. But anyways, I'm glad this came with instructions. Let's get Toby out, shall we? Ooh, a bit tight. Come on, Toby. There we go, he's out. Wow. Look at him. Toby, you are finally free from that box. Yep, he really does look like he is brand new. Everything is still intact. He's awesome. I'm starting to like this already. This is awesome. Nice. I also noticed he does have these side rods underneath him. You can just see them right there. Side rods. That's to give him extra traction, whereas the Bachman one, the Bachman version has no side rods at all, which is not weird, but it does make the Bachman Toby weaker. Although I did hear he has a four-driven wheels. I don't know if they're at the front or the back, but I do believe one of his wheels on the Bachman version is not driven, so that does make him a bit weaker. But this Toby does have some fairly decent weight to it, which is really good. Alright, now let's see if he runs. Well, I'm pretty sure he is, since he is brand new, but he will probably need a bit of a good warm-up. So yeah, let's put him on the track and we'll see how he performs, shall we? Alright, now let's put Toby onto the track. It is kind of tricky to get his wheels on because he does have that skirt. Yeah, he looks pretty good. Alright. Now let's see if he will go. I'm pretty sure he will. What did I tell you? Yeah, he's not too bad. He is noisy just because this is his first time running. But yeah, that's not a halfway, and he's drawing very little current, so that's really good. Really good for good old Toby. Well, he might need some oil. He is a bit dry, isn't he? But yeah, he's running pretty good. I must say that. Go, Toby. Okay, so I got my Riverosity Concord chassis set out of the way, so that way Toby can run in on the second line, because that engine that's in the second box is an engine I also bought. It's not a Thomas & Friends engine, it's another Hornby engine that I'm going to be unboxing for a separate video. So yeah, I'm going to import the videos for this one onto my laptop real quick, so I can let Toby have a break-in. So yeah. So I'll be back in a minute. I'll let Toby come back around one last time. Here he comes. Alright, Toby. Alright, and breaking in for Toby has been completed. And I have to say, it was actually pretty enjoyable. So while Toby was breaking in, let me move him out of the way, I did unbox this engine right here, Union of South Africa. You will see that in the next video. I have just got done filming it, so yeah. Toby back in. There he goes. So yeah, I'm gonna let Toby have a little small run around with some cars since he's now broken in. We'll put a brake van on the back, and he's gonna be pulling 6 troublesome trucks. So bear with me while I get him on here. And there you go. I know you all are going to ask me for Toby to pull Henrietta. At the moment, I do not have Henrietta. And if I get the Bachmann Henrietta for this Toby, Toby's going to be twice as big as Henrietta. So, yeah, I will get Henrietta, by the way. That's not going to stop me from getting it. But for now, I'll just have Toby run around with these troublesome trucks. Alright, let's do it. I have to say, Toby does look really good with those trucks, I must admit. Too bad Hornby never made a Henrietta. I wish they did, but they didn't. Why didn't they make a Henrietta? I have no idea. I got Hornby for you. So right now, my Hornby Thomas collection is growing quite a bit. And I'm pretty happy to have Toby in my collection. I know I said I'm after Edward, and I am hoping to get him at some point. But, hey, you know, at least I have Toby. Nothing wrong with that, right? Yeah, I love Toby. Really do love him. There's certainly nothing wrong with going backwards, is there? Because why not? So that wraps up the unboxing of Toby. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. I most certainly enjoyed it as well. And if you guys are aware, yes, I am aware of the Thomas & Friends Season 25 reboot. I am absolutely gutted by that. Why would you do that, Mattel? Maybe Thomas & Friends shouldn't have been falling in Mattel's hands, huh? I do wish they were still owned by Hit Toy Company, but hey, you know, Mattel bought them off too, so they pretty much own Thomas & Friends now. Well, yeah, I wouldn't say pretty much, wouldn't I? But yeah, that wraps up today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I do hope you all enjoyed this. I really did. I'm so happy to have Toby in my collection. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.